How to disable dark mode on BYDFi application. Are you guys facing issues to turn off dark mode on BYDFi? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open application on your mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, look at the top left corner of your screen where you can see this profile icon. Click on it. After click on it, now look at the top right corner of the screen where you can see setting icon. Tap on it. After you tap on it, you can see this option for theme mode. We are looking to turn off dark mode, right? Just toggle the option. Once you toggle it, your dark mode will be disabled. And that's it, guys. That's how you're going to turn off dark mode on BYDFi application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.